What's going on, everyone? It's MotoMiracle. In today's video, Mrs. Miracle. Oh, Mrs. Miracle. Oh, that's saying weird. It feels weird saying it, right? But yeah, so today we're gonna go to Food Truck Thursday in Sykesville, Maryland. And there's gonna be about 8 vendors, whatever. So it should be fun. It's about a 30-minute drive. We're gonna take a little scenic route. So anyways, let's go to the intro and let's check out this video. So good. This is beautiful, huh? Ooh, very nice. Oh jeez. What?
Hear that?
What?
It's either your helmet or mine. One of us had a huge ass bug hit it.
Probably yours.
The big bug.
I see a fire truck. Hopefully there's not an accident. Hey, there's bikers behind me. Biker friends.
Yeah.
I know. It's hot up in here.
I just don't know why we need to be in a full stop.
It looks like there's an accident.
Yeah, on the side of the road. Oh, there's a helicopter up above.
Oh jeez. Oh, they're coming in hot.
Yeah, I think this person's coming. That's probably a white star.
Yeah, if you wanna get off the bike and stretch, you could. It's
I can walk and go see what's happening at this point.
yeah, but with our luck, it's gonna happen, and all of a sudden the person's we're gonna move.
How come it's coming out?
If you want, you could.
Thinking about it. I'll wait till this guy goes, maybe.
I wonder if they fell down the ravine over here.
11 minutes later.
Sorry. So you said you don't see anything right there? You see the you see the medevac and that's it?
I see the medevac, I see other cars, but I don't, it's not like I see someone trying to do CPR, save a life, whatever.
But does it look like it went down that ravine, or is it?
I don't see any car down the ravine.
Oh, I wonder if someone's having a heart attack. The car that's to the left where you are all the way down there.
Could have been.
That's in the grass. Alright, so what do you think you want to do? You want to turn around or?
I just don't know how long we're going to be here, you know? The thing is they have the medevac there, but no one's even
Moving? Look at you, walking, yo, sexy butt walking.
I'd rather just go. I'm getting hot. It's already, like, we're not going to even get there until, like, almost 4:40 at this point.
Oh, it's cute, baby. Oh, she's running down. I wonder if that's her, that someone's got an accident. I kind of want to see what's going on. But
Much later.
we are back. Sorry. Well, we left at 4 o'clock and it's what? 5 o'clock almost now. There was an accident that you just saw. Now we're finally here. Oh, gravel. Gravelly, don't fall down. So yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna turn the camera off, and then you can see all the food that there is to offer, and yeah, you'll see what we got to eat. All right, see y'all in a minute. tell me, how was the food overall?
I didn't like it.
At all? Okay, was it everything or just what you got?
I didn't like the mac and cheese.
It was a little, it wasn't al dente, it was super soft.
I just don't like the cheese. I'm weird about cheese.
Yeah, okay, so it was just a cheese problem. What about the beef bit? Beef bit? I can't say it right. Pit beef, sorry. Man, so do you think this is kind of a good idea, like the food truck thing, just we chose the wrong food?
Yeah.
Okay, so now next time we'll try the donuts?
No.
No donuts?
We should probably
Try to be a little healthier. So was there anything there that was healthy though?
No, but there are things that were healthier than donuts.
Like?
Pretty much anything on the menu, a sandwich, a burger, those are all healthier than donuts.
Yeah, that's true. But the thing is, like, I like how I think what they say is every single Thursday, it's not all of them, there's some different food trucks. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's kind of a cool idea how like there's different ones at the fire department, you know?
I don't know if I can do that again on the bike. It's hot.
It's too hot for you? It's not even the summer yet. So we're not gonna be able to go for any rides this summer? Or it'd have to be a night ride. But you don't like night rides.
I don't mind night rides.
So basically you'd rather just do night rides where it's nice and cool?
More morning rides.
More, okay, you know, we'll do more, you know what we'll do when it's summer outside and it's really hot, we'll do the we'll go ride like an hour and a half away to get breakfast somewhere. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I know, breeze feels good. All right, so what we learned was some food trucks are good, some food trucks are not good. Well, it's a good idea. It's a good, smart idea. You know, I think every Thursday, some of them will still be back. Like I'm pretty sure Wetzel, Pretzel, whatever, and the donut place is always there. But I think they change every once in a while, so that's kind of cool. So maybe we'll go back another time and we'll try to eat a little healthier, you know, a little better. But it's kind of a cool idea. Like Miss Miracle said, she doesn't want to ride in the Mrs. Miracle didn't want to ride in the heat anymore. It's not even summer yet. Maryland. It's 85 degrees and it's like not bad. But it feels nice with the breeze right now. But when you sit still, it is hot right now. It's hot. But right now this breeze feels good like a dog, you know. My head's sticking out of the window. We are on our way back home. Mrs. Miracle's got to go to work. I hope y'all had a great time. If you're all in the northern Maryland or just in Maryland in general, southern Pennsylvania or anything, yeah, come over. Go to Food Truck Thursdays in Sykesville, you know, Winifred. I'll put it down there what it is. But we'll put down and we'll definitely go check it out. It's definitely cool. It's a cool spot, you know. Definitely hot, but like I said, Mrs. Miracle and I already decided that if she's gonna ride with us, then we're gonna definitely do morning breakfast rides up to, like, you know, Pennsylvania and stuff like that, and it will be an enjoyable ride in the cool breeze, not in this miserable hot Maryland air. But right now the breeze is not bad right now, so I can't complain right now, you know what I'm saying? But at those red lights, ooh, so we're gonna take the back roads the same way as I showed y'all, where basically where the accident was. And yeah, but anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video though. So if you like this video, then please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, then please press that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon for your future notifications. Till next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle and Mrs. Miracle, and we're out of here.